Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. In the last video, I have shown you how to track view content or view item event and send it to Facebook Pixel. Today, I'll show you how to track add to cart event. So, first check what happened when a customer clicked the add to cart button. Look, a event named add to cart has been fired, and here is also a similar data layer. Look, we need this one in zero position. That is Zesco recipe bananas. Okay, so let's go back to tag manager and create a trigger first. Because we have already created the variable in the last video. If you missed that, please watch that before. Now click new and name it add to cart. Add to cart trigger, and it will be a custom event, and the event name will be exactly as it is here. Add to cart. Now click save. Now go back to tags and create a new tag. Name it FB add to cart tag. Now this will be Facebook Pixel, and the ID will be FB Pixel ID, and event ID is FB event ID, and the parameter. Okay, it is similar to view content. So the first one is content type. The second one is content name. The third one is content IDs. The fourth one is value, and the last one is currency. And content type is always product in this case, and content name is product name, and the content ID is product ID, and the value is the price, and the currency is the currency. We have already created this variable in the last video. Now everything looks fine. Now the event name will be add to cart. Standard event name will be add to cart. Now click save. Oh, I have forgot to add a trigger. Now add to cart trigger. Now it's looking fine, and click save. And again publish it. Now it's time to check it. So go back to workspace and click preview. I'm clearing all the activity from Facebook Pixel test event. Now if I view a product, the view item tag has been fired. Also it will come here view content. And now if I click add to cart, the add to cart tag has been fired, and here the add to cart event has been appeared. Let's check if the data has come or not. Alright, it has come. So in next video, I'll show you how to track checkout or begin checkout or initiate checkout event. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will inspire me a lot to create more videos for you. Thank you.